Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 3 of Foldable number 1. I went ahead and drew the parent functions. I know the graphs look a little different, but as you see, this one starts at 0 here, and this one also starts at 0 here. They're the same graph. I just gave more room here because this one's going to translate a different way than this one is. This one here is a little bit different than what we were doing before. If you noticed on here, this has a translation that's outside, not really attached to the x, it's just attached to the actual function. So it's slightly different, even though it's not really different. But if you remember, so once again, up here, whenever you have something inside that's actually affecting the x directly, it's going to move left and right. But when you have it outside here, and it's not really affecting the x directly, this is going to move the graph up or down. Since it is positive, we're just going to be moving the graph up. We're going to do some green. So each one of these points is going to move up 3 units. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3 units. 1, 2, 3 units, 1, 2, 3 units, half, so 1, 2, 3 units, and then from fourths is 1, 2, 3 units. So the graph's actually going to look like this, and you notice it's still the same graph, it's just moved up, each one is moved up 3 units, and we can show that by using the same table. If we were to take this 1/4 and then add 3, it would be 3 1/4. So this one would be -2, and then 1, 2, 3, and 1/4. Same thing here. We would have the 1/2. 1/2 plus 3 would be 3 1/2. So we move -1, 1, 2, 3 1/2. So each one of these is basically 3 units above that. So how would we do this one then? So we're going to do this one 2 colors. We're going to start with the first one, which is this one here. And it's x plus 3, so we're going to move 3 units to the left. So we got to go one more unit here for everything to make sure we get it all. So because of this, we're going to move this one over 1, 2, 3 units, which is here. This one over 1, 2, 3 units. Oop, that's blue. It's supposed to be green. Sorry about that. Green, green. This one would be 1, 2, 3 units. 1, 2, 3 units, and then 1, 2, 3 units, and we graph this. This is our first transformation. This is just this one here, but then from this one we gotta move our 3 down, so we'll do that one in red. So from here, we can also do it from here if you wanted to start here and then move this way, but since we already did this transformation this way, we're going to continue for this one, do that. So this is going to be 3 units down, so it's 1, 2, 3 units down here, 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 and this last one is 1, 2, 3 units down here. So this would be the transformation of this would be the full translation of 2 to the x plus 3 minus 3. And this was just a partial translation here of y is equal to 2 to the x plus 3.